every mouse shortcut Chrome has. Start with the one everybody already does. A plain click, the page you were reading, gone, replaced by the link. Hold Ctrl and click the same link. It opens in a tab behind this one and waits. Add Shift to that control, Shift click. Same new tab. This time you go there immediately. Shift on its own and click. A whole new window for it, good for a second screen. Hold Alt and click. Instead of opening it, Chrome downloads the file. No keys this time. Drag the link onto a tab. That tab loads it. Everything else stays put. Drag it to an empty part of the strip. A new tab opens and you are already there. Drag the web address down onto the bookmarks bar. Bookmarked, no dialog, no folder to choose. Tabs move too. Pull one out. It becomes its own window. One window became two. The same drag in reverse. Two windows became one, and nothing was lost. Change your mind halfway through, press Escape. The tab snaps back exactly where it started. Right-click the back button or click and hold. The whole trail this tab has been down, not one step. Double-click the empty space beside your tabs. The window maximizes. Do it again and it returns. Hold Shift and turn the wheel. The page moves sideways, not down. Useful on wide tables. Hold Ctrl and turn the wheel up. Everything gets bigger, and Chrome remembers the size for this site. Ctrl and wheel down does the opposite. Smaller type, more of the page at once. That is every one of them, and all 16 come from Google's own Chrome help pages.